birthday to Davido. Happy birthday to OBO. Happy birthday to Elemi 9+. Happy birthday to OBO no go minus. Guys, today indeed na a very big celebration day for Nigerians at large, as everybody took it upon themselves to celebrate Davido in their own different ways on their social media platform. My people, now so everybody as well, they pray for Chioma. They send condolence across to her, say make she no worry, everything last go fall in places. Just like this video una just dey watch now, say Davido was surprised today at his father's house in Lekki, Lagos by Chioma. Wow guys, even though say things dey happen, like I always say, life continue. Yes, wetin don happen. Davido and Chioma have to move on. Thank God say God don finally use this opportunity to bless their union, as they are now officially husband and wife. Definitely God go bless them in double fold for this loss. Guys, the things when God get in stock for Davido and Chioma, definitely eyes have not seen it, neither has the ears heard it. A lot of good news and more congratulations they come their way. Davido indeed deserve this love when he get today. People around the world celebrated him. Kudos to Mufasa Tunde Ednut, our social media and Instagram blogger, when he be said today he dedicate his platform, his Instagram handle, to officially celebrate Davido. Like that guy has posted more than 20 posts for Davido alone today. Cubana Chief Prince, Israel DMW, Obi Cubana. Like guys, everybody took it upon themselves to celebrate this man with a good heart. Happy big 30th birthday to you, David. Like David has a lot of plan, massive plan for this 30th birthday before the sudden RIP of his heir apparent, his first son Ifeanyi, when it occurred October 31st, 2022. Who are we to question God? Like I said, life goes on. My people, up to this moment, according to social media reactions, say Davido baby mamas, no one celebrates Davido today. Though we know say Davido the more, but at least the world people celebrated him. So why Davido baby mamas, Amanda, Sophia Momodu, Larissa London, no one celebrated him? Well, make we just come on Larissa London, because we know say that one, she not first they celebrate Davido before, but Sophia Momodu and Amanda, Davido's second baby mama, people, especially the online in-laws, they ask why they not really celebrate Davido today, even if they don't want to celebrate him, but why they not send a condolence message to him today? Una know say Sophia Momodu use her daughter Imade platform, Imade Adeleke Instagram page today to wish Davido happy birthday, where it don't cause a lot of controversies for the internet, where he can't put late Ifeanyi picture alongside with Hayla and Imade. People really talk say that picture really not good when Sophia Momodu use to celebrate Davido through her daughter Imade page, because according to the caption, happy birthday daddy, I wish you joy, love and peace. People say Sophia Momodu na they manage Imade Instagram page, so definitely now she post that picture out of all the beautiful pictures when Davido and his daughter Imade get together. Why Sophia Momodu not use any of those one? Why she decided to insert Ifeanyi late picture to celebrate Davido 30th birthday? According to the online in-law, say when Ifeanyi was alive, he celebrated his 3rd birthday. Sophia Momodu no use that same platform, Imade Instagram page, to celebrate Ifeanyi while he was alive. Now when he be say the little boy don't go, now Sophia Momodu decided to use that picture. Anyway guys, that aside, this one now another video entirely, as according to reports and rumor, which I go still play the video again, make una watch to the end. They say Chioma today surprised Davido, like Davido was giving a surprise birthday shout out at home, courtesy of Chioma. So we believe say everything last go dey okay, and Davido will be amazed by the love he got from social media fans. Like everybody celebrated Davido. Indeed, good name is better than riches. Davido has put smiles in the faces of people when Davido don't lift up. No wonder he talk and say we rise by lifting others. This life indeed is a mystery. I don't know why good people they encounter bad things like this. Imagine Davido when he's supposed to celebrate this birthday massively today, just as his plans. say he go even be request for 1 million naira again each from his friends and colleagues, and definitely that fund raised go directly to the orphanage across Nigeria. See how everything just contain jaburata. See how Davido kept silent on his 30th birthday. It is indeed painful. We miss Davido. People say at least Davido for just show up for live video, make everybody even see and say he's okay. But definitely Davido and Chioma, they are getting stronger. They will come out stronger and better from all this temptation. Davido just decide to keep silent because the song wey he dey proud when he celebrate him 3rd year birthday a few weeks ago is no more alive. So I just believe say all those one are things when Davido really reason today wey no make am come on live or make he come even wish himself happy birthday. So guys, let's keep celebrating Davido. He's the man of the moment. He's the man of the year. Things when Davido don't survive for this in 30 years on earth. Guys, if I don't send many people to their early grave. He's indeed a strong man. We wish him good health. We wish him long life. And this will be the last RIP ever that Davido will ever write to any of his friends or family members. Davido no go see I tell lose anybody again, and David will not die because this man he too good, and that is why his good has kept him alive. So guys, I go drop the full video make una watch how Davido was surprised today on his 30th birthday courtesy of Chioma, as he sent all these birthday surprise people make dem come play this happy birthday song for David. And guys, he loved and appreciated it. Our prayers are with Davido. We are solidly behind him. We the Davido shippers, we dey here for you. We pray you come out strong and better. And for Chioma, our beautiful wife, Mrs. Chioma David Adeleke, indeed, now you be the 002. You are a strong woman as well. God is on your side. You will come out from this victorious. Guys, let's keep putting them in our prayer. It's still OBO day. Let's keep celebrating him. Thanks guys, this na Lebas TV. God bless you all massively. Stay tuned for more updates, and also remember to put up the post notification bell so that anytime I upload any latest updates like this, you will get notified and be the first to watch. The way Cubana Chief Prince as well celebrated Davido, like he hosted a lot of friends and fans just to celebrate David. Now tell no say yes, there are still good people in that our country Nigeria. Guys, make una drop una comment if una dey surprised to see say Davido baby mamas, none of them celebrate or even send any message across to Davido today through their social media platform. Guys, make una drop una comment if una feel say na because Davido has finally got married to Chioma na it can scare them, or they are still mourning just the way Chioma did not write anything on her social media platform as well. Thanks guys, make I drop the full video make una see how they surprise Davido today at his father's mansion in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Happy 30th birthday OBO. OBO no go minus. Elemi 9+, the baddest of our time. We can't wait to see your infectious smile again. We miss and we love you. Thanks guys, enjoy the rest of the video.